Unwanted apps slowing down your Windows 10? Learn how to easily remove them and free up space with this quick guide. Open a browser on your computer. Search for AppBuster for Windows 10. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Click on Download to get the setup file. After the download, click on the folder icon to open your Downloads folder. Double-click on the AppBuster setup file to start the installation. When prompted, click on Yes to allow it to run. Once the program opens, you'll see a list of apps. Select all the unwanted apps you want to remove. Click on Remove to delete those apps from your system. You might be asked to select your computer. Click on Yes. After the process is complete, click on OK. Finally, click on Close to exit the program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.